I've been waiting for you for so long. I've been waiting for so long for you to tell me what's wrong. Can you imagine? No, you don't. You and me are done. You were crazy, I didn't know it, but you were different, and I knew it. I loved it, I embraced it. Oh my God, I was crazy. You can imagine. Was afraid I'd give you my everything. You felt something new. You were scared to tell me how you love me and show me the devil in you. I've been waiting for you. I've been waiting for you for so long. I've been waiting for you for so long. You were asking for me, but you were playing alone, watching TV. No, no, just tell me what you fucking like. Big dreams, big projects, and amazing ambitions. You have it, you do nothing. I swear I thought I couldn't make it. Oh my God, I was crazy. You can imagine. Was afraid I'd give you my everything. You felt something new. You were scared to tell me how you love me and show me the devil in you. I've been waiting for you. Didn't tell me that you felt alone. I tried to help, but nobody was here, and it seemed like you didn't care. You wanted more, but you were